Hi there, thanks for clicking. We are back with our new videos. Welcome to our vocabulary series. In this series, we are going to learn some new vocabulary which is very important in our daily conversation. In today's session, I have a new word for you, manifest. Let's find out what does it mean and how we can use it. Manifest. The word basically means to make something very clear and obvious. Let's take a look some of example for better understanding. The first example we have, while giving the interview, my face always manifests nervousness. The second one we have, whenever I need to take quick decision, I manifest my confusion. The another one we have, artistic talent usually manifests in childhood. The next one we have, basic English always manifests their effort in favor of learners. The last one we have, while someone give me blame without any reason, I manifest my anger. At last, I have a question for you. What quality do you manifest more often?